Hi there, students. A homily. A homily. Notice I'm pronouncing the H. A homily. Okay, a homily is where somebody talks to you when they are moralizing. So a homily, a speech or a talking to, where somebody is telling everybody or telling you how you should behave. So I got home late at night and I was a bit drunk, and my dad gave me a homily as to the moral values and the reasons why one shouldn't drink. Okay, a homily. This very often as well, a sermon, as in the priest gives a sermon. Okay, this is where you are the priest is telling you the things that you should do to be a good person. They're not telling you about the doctrine and why you need to worship, but they are giving you a sermon about the difference between good and evil, the things that you should do. So a homily, it's normally spoken, but it can be written, telling you how you should behave. So the speaker launched into a homily about the loss of social values in our current society. Very often a homily is complaining about the state of something, about the situation. So, yes, he gave us all a long homily about the corruption within the political system. Yeah. I think if you're going to deliver a homily, you need a receptive audience. Yeah. You're giving them a speech. It's a long lecture on a moral theme. Okay. So yeah, a moralizing lecture to make you a better person. They're telling you how you should behave. Um, yeah, as a kid, when you get caught behaving badly, normally the homily you get about you shouldn't do this because blah 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 blah. The homily is worse than the punishment. I think the homily itself is part of the punishment. Um, I think also that a homily, very often it's considered boring, tedious, and rather condescending. I'm much better than you, so you should be doing it like this. This is the way you should be doing it. Okay, so um, a a sermon from a priest about practical things, about how to be a good person, yeah, how to be a good, upright, moral citizen. And then a homily, a moral lecture as well. I think you could also use this word, a homily, to talk about a platitude, um, which is maybe a little bit boring, or an inspirational saying. Um, okay, it's better to give than receive. Yeah, giving is a form of receiving. Yeah, because you receive the honor of being able to give to people. This sounds to me very much like a homily. Okay, so a homily, an attack on the things that are wrong in society, or telling you how you should be living your life because this person knows much better than you how you need to live your life. Maybe a bit boring and a bit long-winded as well. Yeah, he gave me a tedious moralizing homily about how I needed to be more patient, how I needed to learn the quality of patience. Okay, formality. I'm going to give this a 7 in formality. I think you could just about use it in an informal sorry. You could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think better for a semi-formal writing, something literary or something very literary itself. Okay, so yeah, definitely on the formal side. Let's see, it comes from French, which itself comes from Church Latin, homilia or homilia, a homily, which itself comes from ancient Greek, homilia, instruction, yeah, homilos, a crowd of people, okay? So, a homily. Well, I hope not. I hope this hasn't been a homily. I hope it's been something that's been practical and good, easy for you to learn. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Homily.